Hey everyone, my name is Trofort Wilson, and here's another photo shoot breakdown. So for this photo shoot, I had the amazing opportunity to go up to North Carolina to photograph the Carolina Panthers cheerleaders, the amazing TopCats. And you guys, this photo shoot was so much fun and a long day, but great energy the entire time. So for this photo shoot, we actually changed the locker room into our own photo studio for the day. So we had two background setups, the white background and the blue background. So one thing you want to be mindful of whenever you have travel jobs, you want to make sure that you have more than enough equipment. So for this session, I actually rented equipment from PPRatlanta, packed up my car, and we drove up to North Carolina. So knowing that we had a long day and a tight schedule, I wanted to make sure that I got enough equipment to set up for two different lighting scenarios, for the white background and for the blue background. So for this setup, I actually used a tripod, and I actually marked my tripod spot. So all I had to do was move from one station to the next station with my camera and the tripod. Now, if I was thinking smarter, I would have got two tripods, but that's a lesson I learned for this go round. Now let's get into the lighting for the blue background. My key light was a beautiful beauty dish with the diffuser on it. For my fill light, I had the Ellen Chrome with the diffuser on it behind me. And for my rim lights, I had two medium strips, one on each side aimed towards the subject. Now for the white background, I did something a little bit different. My key light was a beautiful beauty dish with the diffuser on it. For my fill light, I had the Ellen Chrome with the diffuser on it behind me. Now for the backlights, because we wanted to have a nice clean white background, instead of using medium strips, I used umbrellas, and I had my lights aimed towards the umbrellas and bouncing in order to create a nice even white tone on the background. But it was such an amazing and fun opportunity being able to work with an amazing crew, an amazing team of cheerleaders that brought so much energy and so much fun. We had music going on the entire session, we had some amazing props, and we created some amazing images, and I can't wait for you guys to see the poster. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this photo shoot breakdown. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Be on the lookout for the next video, and be fearless and create.